Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ingalls, President of Stratford Financial Group and Stratford Employer Services in Wayne, New Jersey. And right now we're going to talk about what is first dollar coverage in health insurance. First dollar coverage or first dollar benefits refer to benefits payable by a health or medical insurance plan without the member or insured first incurring an upfront cost, most commonly in the form of a deductible. First dollar benefits are often found in the in-network benefits of a managed care health insurance program such as a PPO, point of service plan, EPO, or HMO. These plans often offer first dollar in-network benefits in the form of low copays and $0 deductibles to steer their members to the participating list of providers. In that regard, an example of a first dollar benefit would be a PPO plan, which would cover an in-network office visit subject to only a $20 copay. Conversely, an example of a plan or instance without first dollar benefits would be a member having to satisfy a $1,000 deductible before out-of-network benefits are payable under a point-of-service plan. First dollar benefits are often blamed for the spike in medical costs as well as ever-increasing premiums. This is something high-deductible health plans sought to remedy by adding an upfront deductible in all of their plan designs. My name is Jeffrey Ingalls. I'm the president of Stratford Financial Group and Stratford Employer Services in Wayne, New Jersey. We can be found online at www.stratfordlink.com, and you just watched What is First Dollar Coverage in Health Insurance. Thank you.
Today's video question is, what is California medical pay coverage and how is it related to my California personal injury case? Would you like to know more? Well, come on in and join me. My name is Mark Blaine. I'm a San Diego personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of California. California medical pay coverage is extra coverage that you have underneath your own automobile coverage. Now, you can have full coverage and not have med pay, so you have to be very careful when you're purchasing your automobile coverage to specifically ask for medical pay coverage. It's not required by law to have it, and it's essentially extra health insurance that's tied to your automobile insurance coverage. It's a very liberally construed policy. It will apply to anything that's reasonably and necessarily related to your accident case in terms of medical care. So that includes ambulance bill, that includes ER treatment, that includes x-rays, that includes acupuncture, that includes physical therapy, and also includes chiropractic and anything else that you can imagine. It can be for copays, it can be for, it's anything under the sun in terms of these items. I highly recommend it because it provides a lot of flexibility for your injury lawyer if you ever get an injury lawyer for the case, because the injury lawyer can then have most or part of your medical bills paid underneath this coverage, and then when there's a settlement from the at-fault third party, the injury lawyer can negotiate a reduction on the med pay reimbursement. Just as an aside, you have to pay back the med pay what it pays out when you get a settlement from a third party. But again, if you use an injury lawyer, the lawyer can negotiate a negotiation or reduction pennies on the dollar. So that's always a good thing. So it adds flexibility to the case. It's so important to have. If you're watching this video, make sure you're reviewing your automobile policy for you and your family, and make sure you have MedPay on there. And I recommend a minimum of $5,000 per person. Now, if you can do $10,000 or $25,000 per person, it's really not that much in terms of budgetary concerns, but you need to look into it and see if it's something you can put in. So that's my video tip of the day. As you can imagine, I'm putting this online so people can make informed decisions about medical pay coverage and what it's all about. Chances are you might have a question on this, and I encourage you to pick up the phone and give me a call if you do. My phone number is 619-813-7955. Again, that's 619-813-7955, and my email is mark@blainelaw.com. So this is Mark Blaine signing off from San Diego, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.